Electric cargo bikes have been gaining significant traction in Europe, and Mycle's innovative new cargo bike is a prime example of why they're more than just a passing trend. These bikes are revolutionizing urban transportation by providing a practical and eco-friendly solution to common mobility challenges. With the Mycle electric cargo bike, the inconveniences of parking woes and traffic gridlocks are replaced with seamless, efficient travel, all while carrying your belongings effortlessly. At the core of the Mycle electric cargo bike's appeal is its impressive electric range. On a single charge, this bike can cover an impressive 60 kilometers, providing ample distance for various types of trips. Gone are the days of guessing how far you can travel before needing a recharge. The inclusion of a basic digital screen on the bike enhances the user experience by displaying essential information, such as speed and distance traveled. This feature eliminates guesswork and allows riders to stay informed about their journey. What sets the Mycle electric cargo bike apart is its adaptability. Whether you're planning a leisurely picnic, commuting to work with your gear, or transporting a child in a seat, this bike accommodates various needs. Equipped with both front and back cargo areas, it can handle loads up to 125 kilograms, making it a practical choice for running errands or grocery shopping. Rain or wind forecast, no problem. The innovative Weather Shield add-on offers protection against the elements, while ensuring visibility through transparent sides. Reflective strips enhance safety by making the bike more visible to other road users, especially during low-light conditions. The Mycle electric cargo bike doesn't compromise on performance either. Its motor assists pedaling, providing a smoother and less strenuous riding experience. The 7-speed gear system enhances versatility, enabling riders to tackle a range of terrains with ease. For those who require even more power, the option to add an extra battery is available. This flexibility caters to longer journeys or heavier loads, ensuring that the bike can adapt to various scenarios without compromising on performance. If you're seeking to streamline your daily journeys with convenience and efficiency, the Mycle cargo bike presents a compelling option that's well worth considering. In a world where urban mobility can often be challenging, this bike offers a solution that simplifies your daily routine while ensuring you arrive at your destination swiftly. While the initial investment might raise eyebrows, starting at approximately $2,889, it's important to view the Mycle cargo bike as an investment in your daily convenience and environmental responsibility. Though it may not fall under the category of inexpensive, its transformative potential can't be overlooked. In conclusion, the emergence of electric cargo bikes like the Mycle cargo bike signifies a shift towards more sustainable and efficient urban transportation solutions. Beyond being a mere trend, these bikes address practical issues of mobility, convenience, and environmental impact. With their impressive electric range, adaptable appearance, weather protection features, and performance enhancements, electric cargo bikes are shaping up to be a pivotal part of the transportation landscape in Europe and beyond. Thank you for watching this video. I will be grateful to you for subscribing. Have a nice day and see you soon.